Hello guys! Happy Halloween guys! So for today's video, kakain ako ng dinol dog. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, ang sobrang sarap ng dinol dog. Oh my god. It's very special. What do you call this? Special talaga siya. Ang sarap. Kain tayo guys. Hi madam.